Hey guys, today we are going to make this easy, simple, or as I call it, the lazy man fried rice. It's not the way you typically make your fried rice, but it's also not just any rice. You have vegetables in it, you have eggs, you have beef, or any protein of choice. But today I'm gonna use beef. So as you can see, I've cleaned my beef and I'm going ahead to add the seasoning that I have available in my cupboard. So the seasoning, you can use any seasoning of choice, the seasoning that you love. I'm just going ahead to add a little bit of rosemary. Just go ahead and season it. So after that, I'm just going to leave it to marinate for about 5 to 10 minutes. Usually it's good to marinate your protein for like 1 hour, but I didn't have that time, so I just marinated it for like 15 minutes, and I'll go ahead to put it on the stove to start cooking. Whilst that is happening, let's go ahead with our vegetables. So this is literally this is the vegetables I'm going to use. Just some onions and green peppers. That's why I call it the lazy man fried rice. It doesn't entail a lot of vegetables. It's just these two vegetables that I have. So I'll definitely go ahead to start slicing them. In fact, I'm going to dice them. Actually, I'm going to dice them into smaller pieces. And that's about it. Literally, that's all you need. That's all the vegetables you need. And trust me, this rice is going to turn out 10 over 10. So my beef is done cooking and I've diced them into smaller chunks, like smaller pieces, because that's how I want them to be. I'll go ahead and fry it. Bro, the way the oil was just popping out everywhere. So I'm just gonna head to fry it and then I'll set that aside. Look at how beautiful it looks. All that I needed at this point was suya pepper and I was done, ready to finish it. So in our stock, I'm going to add in rice. Yes, you're going to cook our rice with our beef stock. Now my stock was quite little, so I'll add a little bit of water to it and add salt to it, and then I'll leave my rice to cook. Now, whilst that is cooking, I'm just going to crack 5 eggs, adding onion and green pepper, that is the vegetables that we cut earlier, some of it into it, a little bit of salt, stir it and then fry it and set that aside whilst we wait for our rice to finish cooking. Now it's time for me to assemble all my ingredients. So into a pan, I'm going to add a little bit of my vegetables. I'm going to divide it into two because my bowl is quite small. So yeah, I'm going to divide it into two. Just leave it to saute for some few minutes. Then I'll go ahead to add my fried egg and then my fried beef, and that's literally it, guys. I'll add in my rice, a little bit of curry to give that golden yellow color, and that's literally it, guys. You're done making your simple lazy man fried rice, and trust me, it tastes so good. Thank you guys so much for watching up to this point, and thank you for subscribing to my channel. The comments, the likes, I see them all. God bless you. If you have not done so already, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, like this video and leave a comment for me, and I'll be glad to reply to any questions that you have. Till I see you next time. Bye.